Welcome back to Smart Currency Tube. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of millionaire investors and the unique habits that set them apart from the rest. Have you ever wondered what makes these financial powerhouses tick? In this episode, we'll explore the daily routines, mindset shifts, and strategic decisions that contribute to their incredible wealth. We'll start by examining the common traits shared by successful investors, from their disciplined approach to saving and investing to their relentless pursuit of knowledge. You'll discover how these habits not only help them build wealth but also maintain it over time. But it's not just about numbers and strategies. We'll also delve into the psychological aspects that drive these individuals. What motivates them to take risks? How do they handle setbacks? By understanding these elements, you'll gain valuable insights that can be applied to your own financial journey. So, whether you're an aspiring investor or simply curious about the habits of the wealthy, stick around. By the end of this episode, you'll be equipped with actionable tips and inspiration to help you on your path to financial success. Let's unlock the secrets of millionaire investors together. When it comes to achieving financial success, the mindset of millionaire investors plays a crucial role. One of the most significant aspects of their mindset is the growth mindset. Unlike those who see their abilities as fixed, millionaire investors believe they can develop their skills and knowledge over time. This perspective allows them to embrace learning and adapt to changing market conditions, which is essential in the ever-evolving world of investing. Moreover, millionaire investors view challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth. When faced with setbacks, they analyze the situation, learn from their mistakes, and pivot their strategies accordingly. This resilience is a key factor that distinguishes them from others who may give up at the first sign of difficulty. Discipline and patience are also fundamental components of their investment strategies. Millionaire investors understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. They stick to their long-term plans, resist the temptation to chase quick gains, and remain focused on their goals. This disciplined approach allows them to weather market fluctuations and capitalize on opportunities when they arise. In summary, the unique mindset of millionaire investors, characterized by a growth mentality, resilience in the face of challenges, and unwavering discipline, sets them apart and paves the way for their financial success. One of the defining characteristics of millionaire investors is their unwavering commitment to lifelong learning. In a world where market trends and economic conditions are constantly shifting, successful investors understand the importance of staying updated with the latest news and developments. They regularly consume financial literature, follow market analysts, and engage with industry experts to ensure they are well-informed and ready to make strategic decisions. Moreover, millionaire investors recognize that both failures and successes offer invaluable lessons. Instead of viewing setbacks as defeats, they analyze what went wrong, extract insights, and apply those lessons to future investments. This reflective approach not only enhances their decision-making skills, but also builds resilience, allowing them to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape with confidence. For those looking to emulate their success, seeking knowledge is essential. Millionaire investors often recommend diving into books, enrolling in courses, and finding mentors who can provide guidance and support. By surrounding themselves with knowledgeable individuals and continuously expanding their understanding, they position themselves for long-term success. In conclusion, the journey of a millionaire investor is marked by a dedication to continuous learning and adaptation. By embracing this mindset, you too can enhance your financial acumen and increase your chances of achieving your investment goals. Building a strong network is a cornerstone of success for millionaire investors. These individuals understand that relationships can open doors to opportunities that may not be accessible otherwise. By leveraging their connections, they gain insights into market trends, investment opportunities, and even potential partnerships. This collaborative approach allows them to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals is equally important. Millionaire investors often seek out peers who share their ambitions and values. This environment fosters motivation, accountability, and the exchange of ideas. When you engage with others who are equally driven, you create a supportive network that encourages growth and innovation. It's in these circles that you can find inspiration and learn from the experiences of others. To cultivate such a network, it's essential to actively engage in networking events and communities. Whether it's attending industry conferences, joining investment clubs, or participating in online forums, putting yourself out there can lead to valuable connections. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself, share your goals, and seek advice. Remember, every conversation has the potential to spark a new opportunity. In summary, strategic networking is vital for millionaire investors. By building strong relationships and surrounding themselves with the right people, they position themselves for ongoing success in their financial journeys. One of the key strategies employed by millionaire investors is the diversification of their portfolios. By spreading investments across various asset classes, they reduce the risk associated with any single investment. This approach not only helps to protect their wealth, but also enhances the potential for returns. When one asset class underperforms, others may thrive, balancing out the overall performance of the portfolio. Diversification is essential for mitigating risks. Millionaire investors understand that markets can be unpredictable, and relying on a single investment can lead to significant losses. By diversifying, they create a safety net that allows them to weather market fluctuations more effectively. This strategy enables them to maximize returns over the long term, as they can capitalize on different market cycles and trends. Examples of investment vehicles used by millionaires include stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments such as private equity or hedge funds. Many also invest in commodities like gold or silver, which can act as a hedge against inflation. Additionally, some millionaire investors explore emerging markets or innovative sectors like technology and renewable energy, further broadening their investment horizons. In conclusion, the diversification of investments is a fundamental strategy for millionaire investors. By spreading their assets across various classes, they not only mitigate risks, but also position themselves for greater financial success. Having a long-term vision is crucial in the world of investing, and millionaire investors exemplify this principle. They understand that building wealth is not an overnight endeavor. It requires setting clear, achievable financial goals that guide their investment strategies. By defining specific objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, funding a child's education, or accumulating wealth for future generations, they create a roadmap that keeps them focused and motivated. Patience and persistence are key components in reaching these long-term goals. Millionaire investors recognize that markets can be volatile, and short-term fluctuations should not derail their plans. Instead, they maintain a disciplined approach, sticking to their strategies even when faced with challenges. This steadfastness allows them to ride out market downturns and capitalize on opportunities when they arise, ultimately leading to greater financial success. For listeners looking to emulate this mindset, it's essential to create your own long-term investment plan. Start by identifying your financial goals and the timeline for achieving them. Consider factors such as your risk tolerance and investment preferences. By developing a clear plan and committing to it, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of investing. In summary, a long-term vision and well-defined goals are vital for successful investing. By adopting this approach, you can enhance your chances of achieving financial independence and security. As we wrap up our exploration of millionaire investors' habits, let's recap the key takeaways from today's episode. We began by discussing the unique mindset that sets these individuals apart, highlighting the importance of a growth mentality, resilience in the face of challenges, and the discipline needed for long-term success. Next, we emphasize the commitment to continuous learning and adaptation, showcasing how successful investors stay informed and learn from both their successes and failures. We also delved into the significance of strategic networking, illustrating how building strong relationships can lead to valuable opportunities and insights. Diversification emerged as another critical strategy, with millionaire investors spreading their investments across various asset classes to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Finally, we highlighted the importance of having a long-term vision and setting clear financial goals, which serve as a guiding light on the path to wealth. Adopting these habits is essential for anyone looking to achieve financial success. By incorporating these principles into your own investment strategy, you can enhance your chances of reaching your financial goals. If you found this episode valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to bringing you more content that empowers your financial journey.